This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to password protect a page in WordPress. Maybe you're working on this said page and you don't want it to be accessed by just anybody, or maybe you want to hide this page from search engines. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your pages and then click whatever page that you're going to want to password protect, click Quick Edit. And from Quick Edit, you're going to see password. So this is where we're going to enter our password. And then you're going to click Update. And there you go. We've now added a password to this page. So whoever doesn't have this password will not be able to see the contents of this page. If you do have the password, you simply add it. So if I go to Visit Site here, you're going to see Protected, and then there's going to be an option to say add the password to this. So if I'm not signed in, I would see an option to add the password. What you would do, you would add the password, click OK, and then you'd be able to see all the contents of your page. If you want to take this off again, if you go back to Quick Edit, so I'm going to go back to Pages. You can also do it from that page as well. If you're in Edit, you don't necessarily have to go to Quick Edit. It's just kind of the quickest way to do it. You can see visibility here and it says password protected. If you click into this, you can change this. You can either change the password, you can change it to private where only site admins and editors can see the page, or you can change it back to public. So if I change it back to public and click Update, View Page, you can see that now it does not say password protected. Hope that helps and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.